Hi, this is Group 9. This is the mobile application for our company, Green. When consider creating the app for Green, we decided to create a program that customizes individual personal weight loss needs. So we require users to fill out their personal information about gender, age, height, weight, and go for weight loss at the beginning. Then the app will automatically generate the limit of category intakes for the user, calorie reducing target per day, so that the user required to record their daily meal, daily weight in the app. So on the home page, we divided our feature into 5 sections, which included home page, community, daily record, shop, and profile. Firstly, on the home page, there are exercise record, weight record, diet plan section, target for weight loss section, and a progress bar. The exercise record is connected to Apple Health, which automatically record how many steps and distance user exercise per day in order to calculate how many calories the users consume. Then the weight record is the function of tracking weight loss per day in order to see if the user weight is in control. The diet plan section, which connected to user weight loss target, calculated the limit calorie that the users can intake per day, and then it provides different low-calorie meals menu for the users. For the weight loss target section, user can set up how much weight they want to lose in what period of time. Then the progress bar shows every day's enrichment for user's target. Despite the home page, the other 4 sections are supplementary. So in the community section, users can share their achievement through words, pictures, or video for influencing other users. And at the same time, users can read others' successful story for motivate themselves in order to see the difference change in weight loss. In the daily record section, user can simply record their daily meal, weight, and exercise time just by clicking on the bottom and typing what kind of food or what exercise they do or what is their weight of the day. In the shop section, user can purchase health organic product directly from our partner company like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's. So from the top of here, user just can search the food they are looking for, or they can scroll down and see whichever company they would like to buy from. So it's just an easy way to help the user to go to directly whatever the things they're looking for. Finally, this is the profile. It is about personal information, and most specifically, I want to talk about, here is a green bank in the profile. In the green bank, users can upload their credit card in order to purchase in the shop more easily. And that's all for our app. Thank you.